What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Abs as turbocharged DIY. Today we're going to show you how to check if your alternator is working. We got a Vauxhall Zafira over here, so we're doing two different cars. We're going to show you, because we know the alternator is working perfectly fine on this car. We'll show you how to check on the multimeter. And if you have a look on that side there in the garage, we got a Nissan Skyline R33, and we've got a bad alternator, what we think we have, so we're going to test the alternator there as well. So for multimeter, you want to put it on like that. And what you want to do is you want to turn it to the V20, yeah, DC V20. Now just to check, we've got a circuit, so that's gone to minus, which is perfect. So you've got negative, you want to put this towards the negative terminal of the battery. And you want to put this towards a positive. Now when I put this towards a positive, we should get a reading of 12 volt, around that figure. It is an old battery, so it might be a bit below. So what that voltage is reading is the power of the battery currently running. So once I put that, if you have a look at the multimeter,
12.02.
perfect. So 12.02, so we've got a good battery. Now when we go start the car up, we want it hovering around 14 or just a little bit above or a little bit below 14. That means it's 2 volts extra, which is the alternator running and charging the battery. So we're at 12.35. we're going to start the car up. We're going to get Abs started up, and so we'll see it hopefully move up. If it moves up, perfect. If it doesn't move up, that means the alternator is in fault. Perfect. So we're currently running at 14.29, 14.30, which is just perfect. That means the alternator is healthy and it's charging the battery up. Now if you switch the car off, Abs, I'll go back down to 12. So the battery's still holding a bit of charge. And it gradually go back down to 12, which is just the battery voltage. Okay, so we're just going to test the Nissan Skyline. So we should be getting 12 volt reading on the battery.
So we're getting a reading of about 11.78 at the moment.
Which is, obviously the battery's quite healthy. So we're going to start it up and we're going to show you what reading we're going to get.
Right, so we're still getting a reading about 11.37.
Which means it's not charging at all. So the alternator is bad on this one. If the alternator was good, it should have went up to 14 and hold around the 14 above or below. It should have been well above the 12 reading.
Yeah, so that's how we check an alternator. Normally a car will show a battery sign, which basically also will tell you the alternator is on, but just to double confirm, you can do this procedure. So battery wise, that battery light is on over there. That just tells you that there is an issue with one of the electric, either the battery or the alternator. Obviously we've just confirmed that it is the alternator.
Okay, as we switch the car off now,
it's still reading at 11.53, so it's still got the battery, still got its power what it had.
As you can see, the alternator is definitely
gone, finished.
Yep. So we're gonna have to change the alternator on this one, guys. That's how you read the alternator, or that's how you test if your alternator is good or bad. We showed you into two cars. One was a Vauxhall Zafira, which alternator was probably fine. This one's Nissan Skyline, but you can test alternator on any car just like this. I hope you enjoy the video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you in the next one. And also, please don't mind this dirt. It's all gonna go soon. See you later.